Hello, Sir Romain. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung mga unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 17 Gen 5 and the WE Glock 34 Gen 4. Okay. Airsoft gas blowback pistols. Okay, so yan. So, testingin natin accuracy and FPS and accuracy. Okay, so ito yung dalawang magazine. So this is for the Gen 4 and this is for the Gen 5. Tama ba? Ay, mali. Baliktad. So ito pala yung Gen 5, ito yung Gen 4. Okay. So actually, parehas na sila ng magazine. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila yung sa ilalim yung base plate. Okay. So, pwede mapagpalitin yan. Medyo, ito, Gen 34, di ba? Gen 4. Ayan o. So, medyo iba lang yung itsura. Tapos ito yung ito Gen 5 to eh, diba? Ito yung Gen 4 na mag, diba? Yan, pasok. Parehas lang. So, yun. Nagkakatalo lang sa Glock 19X. Kasi yung Glock 19X, kailangan Gen 4 mag. Kasi may nakaharang eh. Hindi pa pasok yung Gen 5 na mag sa Glock 19X. Okay? So, yun lang. Alright. So, ano munahin natin? Yung Glock 17 na lang unahin natin. So, FPS test muna tayo. Okay. So, 0-0. Okay. So, for the Glock 17, always remember, any gun, okay, so always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay. Alright. Starting the magazine. Tama ba? Okay, tama. So, firing. 351.2. Okay, solid. Solid yung blowbox niya. Nothing unusual. Alright. 344.7. 330. And isa pa. 326.1. Okay? So, ngayon, mag-accuracy test lang ako. Ang ating box ay napuno ko na ng bilog. Okay? So, for this unit, ang target natin is the second butas on the top on the right. So, na upper right, sa pinakataas, no, upper row, top row, second from the right. So, yun yung accuracy test na to. Okay? So, ito, barilin na natin. O nga pala, the target is 2 inches in diameter and the distance is 2.3 meters. Okay? So, yeah, barilin natin. Okay? So, nasa loob naman lahat. Medyo gitna yung iba. Okay? Medyo mataas yung iba. So, anyway. Okay? Pasok naman lahat. Yun yung importante. Okay? So, ayan. Opening slide. Removing the magazine. Wala nang bala. Okay? So, pull back, release, hammer down. Okay, so okay na tong 17. Ngayon, let's proceed to the Glock 34. Okay. Always remember to keep your trigger finger out as usual. Papasok mo lang yan kapag pagkakalabitin mo na. Okay, so yan, may gas na rin. FPS test. Okay, so 326 yung kanina. 369 for the first shot para sa G34. Second shot is 361.7. Blowback is okay. Standard blowback, no? The gas that we're using is number 12. Okay, so yan, 355. Actually, kapag medyo mainit-init lang. Kasi medyo lamig ngayon dito. Kaya ganyan yung mga FPS. Kasi pag medyo summer siguro, minsan nagta-390 to eh. 395 eh. Okay? So, ngayon, accuracy test naman tayo. So, yung para sa Glock 34 is yung nasa baba ng so, second row and second from the right. Okay? So, nasa baba ng pang 17. Okay? So, pipicture ako yung target mamaya, then nilalagay ko na lang yung arrow. Ito yung 17, ito yung 34. Okay, so ito na. Firing. Right, as usual. 4 hits, nasa loob ng bilog. Okay, so yan, nag-open na yung slide. Removing the magazine, wala nang bala. Okay? Pull back na slide, release, hammer down. Okay? So, ayan, Sir Romain, okay na tong dalawang unit mo. So, ipapako na siya. O nga pala, meron ka pala kasama extra mag. So, nakalimutan ko i-testing. Pero anyway, okay naman yun. So, ipe-prepare ko lang, tapos kakargahan ko lang ng gas to check kung merong leak o wala. Kasi, yun lang naman yun usually eh. Pero, pwede ko na naman ipatok. Testingin ko rin, para sigurado tayo. Okay? Yun nga lang, nakalimutan ko eh, kaya hindi natin na-prepare. Pero, minor na lang yun. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.